Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to install the Rosetta plugin for Visual Studio Code and how it helps with syntax highlighting, error detection, and auto-completion for Rosetta DSL files. Let's install the plugin. Open the Extensions panel located to the left of Visual Studio Code. From there, in the search bar, type in Rune DSL, and it should be the first extension in the marketplace, authored by Nicholas Moga. For demo purposes, we've already installed this plugin, but the install button will be located here. You select it and the extension will be installed onto Visual Studio Code. Now, let's look at a Rosetta file. You can go into the folder explorer here and open a Rosetta file. I have one already open, so let's take a look. Immediately, we can see the syntax highlighting it working, where we have our functions clearly defined, and we also have parentheses and numbers clearly marked with comments marked in a different color as well. Let's show the auto-completion features. I'm going to write a few lines of Rune DSL and create a simple function for filtering cache transfers. The first thing to notice is the auto-completion suggesting intelligent choices and recognizing that Rune DSL uses func to create functions, and it's placed it at the top. Let's look at how the extension identifies errors. Like most IDEs, if there's an error, the location in question will be underlined in red. Looking at the filter security transfers function, there are a couple of errors underlined in red. If we have a look at line 116 and line 120. Now let's take a look at the error. If I hover over the red line, we get a preview of the error message. And if I want, I can click and have it shown there. Now let's fix the errors. Hovering over the red underline, a window will pop up, previewing the error message. As we can see on line 116, the error here is the upper bound must be greater than the lower bound. And looking at line 120, there's a couple error messages. One, there's no attribute missing after the arrow, and an expression must evaluate to a Boolean. Let's fix the error at line 116 first. Simply to fix this, there's a cardinality constraint. So if we change this 0 to a 1, we'll see the Rune DSL extension has picked that up and removed the red underline. Similarly for 120, we don't need another attribute here. So if we remove this arrow, again, the Rune DSL extension will pick up that it now makes sense logically, and the errors are gone. That's how the Rosetta plugin helps you write better DSL code in Visual Studio. Thanks for watching.